Experiencing Wi-Fi drops or audio lag with CarPlay on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. These issues often stem from the phone's advanced wireless features, like Wi-Fi 7 and enhanced CarPlay integration. Wi-Fi 7 uses wider channels for faster speeds, but is prone to interference and power-saving modes that can disrupt connectivity. Wireless CarPlay, while convenient, can suffer from Bluetooth latency or codec mismatches, leading to audio lag. Identifying whether the issue is Wi-Fi related, CarPlay related, or a general issue will greatly influence how the problem should be approached. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, such as iOS 18.4 or later. These updates include important patches for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth stability that address connectivity issues. For Wi-Fi issues, enable private Wi-Fi address in your settings to reduce tracking and potential interference. Also update your router's firmware, particularly if it's an older model lacking modern standards. Use built-in network diagnostics or a Wi-Fi analyzer app to check signal strength and identify interference sources. For CarPlay audio lag, try switching to a wired USB-C connection instead of wireless. Ensure your car's infotainment system is updated and check for any codec mismatches by switching to AAC. In some cases, like with the Tesla Cybertruck, issues can be vehicle-specific due to compatibility. If connectivity issues continue after trying these fixes, contact Apple support to check for underlying hardware problems that may require professional attention.